Thousands of Remote Data Backups partners are discovering the benefits of just installing our free 30-day trial on every client's or prospective client's computer that they have access to. When you're ready to set up your clients, you can download it from your branded partner site and we'll automatically assign the new account to you. With RDB's free backup trial, there are no barriers to entry. There's no credit card required, no obligation, and no worries, as your client's data is kept completely safe and private at our 2 mirrored underground data storage centers. The setup process is simple, it takes less than 5 minutes, and then we can take care of the rest, from the follow-up to the billing or even the support. Or you can provide the support and increase billable hours to your client. So, what do you get for the 5-minute investment of your time? RDB's tiered incentive program means that your profits increase as your accounts grow. You'll earn from 20 to 40% recurring income for the life of every account that you sign up. Our business class backup service is the most reliable and secure backup solution on the market. And our free Expert 24/7 support is fast, responsive, and proactive, increasing the odds that your client will stick with us for the long term. You'll make even more money as your client's data grows and as they add more computers to their network. And there's no better way to get a foot in the door with new clients than offering remote data backups. See, not every business you approach needs immediate computer repair, but they still need reliable off-site backups. So let's face it, you can have a long, sincere conversation about RDB with business owners who have seen the serious effects of data loss. But by the next day, they might just go back to work and forget all about it. And without a trusted voice of reason to guide them, the website visitors often betray their better judgment and decide not to try it. But when they have our service running on their computer and they realize that their data is safely stored off-site automatically every night, they rarely turn back. About 4 out of 5 clients who get set up on the free trial by an RDB affiliate such as yourself, they trust your expert advice and they end up subscribing. So once you've installed it, just let them know that they can enjoy our secure, automated online backup service free for 30 days. You can even hand them a branded brochure and briefly show them how secure and easy it is to back up and restore up to the last 10 versions of any file, or retrieve their data from any computer, anywhere in the world, 24/7 with internet access. Now you can explain how RDB effectively replaces manual backup solutions as well, like tapes, CDs, DVDs, or zip drives, and this saves them time and money. Show them our impressive client list and over 400 testimonials from your partner site. If they have any questions, we're always happy to help. Just install remote data backups. The bottom line is it's a win-win situation for you and your clients. You'll get more repeat business, more loyal, long-term clients, and more recurring income from remote data backups.